Mitram and Bandhuvam, welcome to South Asia Maps. We are continuing our Uttaranchal series video presentation, that is Uttarakhand province. And this is the part 7. We are looking at 27 physiographic regions. That is about the physical geography of an area. We are talking today particularly the Tons River, Yamuna rivers, their basins. This is the Tons and Yamuna River Basin, Part 7, Uttarakhand region. This is the Devabhumi, Uttarakhand, Uttaranchal geography, physical geography. Mitranam, the previously in the old presentations, I have reviewed all the 27 or so physiographic regions of Uttarakhand, Uttaranchal, Devabhumi. You can see these 27. That presentation gives you a broader overview of that. And today we are looking at a particular region. That is, in this Uttaranchal series, you can see the Uttaranchal series. We are looking at part 7, Yamuna Tons River Basin of Devabhumi, Uttaranchal. What is meant by physiographic presentation? You see, this is the political geography or administrative geographical map. It shows the taluks, tehsils and provinces, states. It doesn't give any information more than that. The same map here I have shown here. This gives the physical representation of the land. Physically, how the terrain looks like with respect to the mountains and rivers, water bodies, gorges, and so on. If you know this, you can very easily understand the background information of how society, polity, economy of a particular land are shaped. That will give a broader, deeper idea. In this presentation, we will go over the Uttaranchal Tons Yamuna region in detail. If you have not seen my presentations, I have South Asia Maps J. Reddy YouTube channel, more than 600 presentations already. What you see here all are the playlist, each has around about 10 to 20 or so, on diverse varied topics of Indology. You can go and look at them, J. Reddy South Asia Maps. After this going over, I will show you different terrain maps of Tons Yamuna Basin that will give you a deeper understanding of the land. That will be the most important part of this presentation. Here I will show you broadly the rivers here. The rivers here I have abbreviated here. This is the Ganga River, of course this is the Yamuna River, and most important head streams of Ganga River are Alaknanda, Bhagirathi, and if you remember ABC, Alaknanda here, Bhagirathi drops C. D will be Devprayag. That means where these two head streams will join, and the river is called Ganga River, Ganga Mata. So we are looking at the Yamuna River here, Tons River here, Pabbar River here. See PB. This is the basin valleys, and it's not really a valley, but a broadly basin valley region of the Tons Yamuna basin we are looking at today. And this is essentially the same with a little more information. So once you know the broader 27 or so, you can see what are the boundaries, the landmarks, districts we will go over. Okay, we are looking at this particular part 7, right? And this region is the Jaunsar Himalayan region. That means it It is a culturally little different. The entire area mostly comes southern part in Dehradun, northern part in Uttarkhand districts. Is the Jaunsar Himalayan region. So we have the Tons River Basin, Yamuna River Basin. The water parting of this Yamuna River here, Tons River here, is a mountain range called Kedarkantha or Kedarkantha. That is very different from Kedarnath mountains, that is next to the Badrinath mountains. The base of the Badrinath mountains and Alaknanda river is the famous Badrinath Mandir temple is present. See, if once you know this, what are the boundaries, easy to know. So you see the Kedarkantha here, Bandarpoonch here, Bandarpoonch, Kedarkantha here, and Mussoorie Basin. The northern part is called Himachal region. Mussoorie region is the historical Mussoorie district, now is called Simla district, Mussoorie region. And other landmarks towns are the Chakrata town, which is a military headquarters during the British time, the Mussoorie, and that is the hill station essentially in the Mussoorie range, the Landor urban area. The districts are essentially northern part is Uttarkhand, southern part is western part of Dehradun district, and that is Uttarkhand. We will see the other maps, Purola, Rajgarh, Tehri Garhwal, and Chakrata and Dehradun, certain parts. On the Yamuna river, from the south to north, you see Kalsi town, Lakmandal town, Navgan town, Barkot town, Hanuman Chetty town, eventually Yamunotri glacier where the river originates. On the towns, at the place called Kalsi, both rivers join. Tons joins Yamuna, but Tons brings more water at that point than Yamuna. So, on Tons River, Kalsi, Kanda, Tinai, Shankri, near Sargarohini area. This area that is about brief, we will look at the maps, and this is the, you can pause here and see. The Himadri ranges are the greater Himalayan mountains. Kedarkantha is 38-13 meters, Bandarpoonch is 63 15 meters, Swargarohini, where Pandavas is assumed to be ascended to throne after their Swargarohini is 60 to 79 meters, Yamunotri glacier is 3200 and so on, and Satopant 67 meters and so on. You can see, we see the rivers here, so that because we are only interested in the western part, Yamuna, we will not be worrying much about other. Yamuna river and gets the Tons River. You can see the Tons River. The Tons River has the Supin River and Rupin River. Here they join Tons, and it gets from the Mahashu region, Simla district, a river called Pabbar. That's the Pabbar here. Both will join at a place. Pabbar joins at Tinai place. It forms the boundary between Himachali region and Uttaranchal region, and it gets a river Yamuna major, or it falls into Yamuna at a place called Kalsi. And before that, it also gets Algar, a small the tributary Yamuna river, that the famous Kempty Falls near Mussoorie Landor is on this Algar river actually. And Yamuna river basin also has the western portion. This is called Asan river, that comes from the western part of Dehradun valley, but some maps will show it is a Tons river. Remember, this is essentially Asan. Tons means this is the Tons. And from here it gets a river called Sirmur area, Bata, Giri river and Bata river. And it forms the border between with Himachal Pradesh and Haryana, place called Payonta Sahib. Hathni Kund barrage was there historically built by, and then goes to the borders of the Karnal district and Yamunanagar Karnal district and Panipat, Sonepat to Delhi and so on. So this is the western part. You can see Yamuna river here, Yamunotri here. This is the Bandarpoonch area. This is the Kedarkantha or Kedarkantha, not Kedarnath Badrinath area. This is the water divide between Yamuna and Tons river system. So we saw the river. Essentially, this is not Rupin. Rupin and Supin are here, tributaries of Tons. This is the Pabbar. So there is a mistake here. Just you keep it in mind. And so Yamuna river here, Tons river here, Kalsi will be here, Tinai will be here. This is the Mussoorie range, Algar river. You can see Algar river here, a faint river. Algar river joins here. Asan river, that is sometimes referred as the Tons in Dehradun, but not actually. This is the Shahranpur district. This is the Yamuna Nagar historic Ambala district. This is the Sirmur district, Payonta Sahib and all those areas. This is the Bandarpoonch. This is the Kedarkantha. So this is the Badrinath, Kedarinath. This is the Kedarkantha water potting between these two, and we can see the different. So it is essentially the same, but you will get a different perspective here, Mitrana. And this is the Hardwar district. This is the Dehradun. This is the Sivaliks. So you have to remember this one. This is the Bhagirathi river. This is the Alaknanda river. See, Alaknanda river, Bhagirathi, Devprayag here. This is the Bhagirathi here. That means this is the Yamuna river. You can get it. This is the Bandarpoonch mountain. This is the Tons. You can see very clearly Tons river here. Bandarpoonch. This is the Kedarkantha mountain ranges. Around about 3000 or so. And both of them, Yamuna, this is the Algar river, where it comes from this is the Mussoorie range. This is the Nagtibba ranges, and so the Kempty waterfalls will be somewhere here. So Asan river comes here, joins here, everything becomes the bigger Yamuna river downstream. So essentially this is the same, you will get a different perspective much further. You can see this is the where Yamuna river. So this is the Yamuna river basin. You can see Yamuna river. Bandarpoonch, Kedarkantha. This is the Tons river. You can see the Tons river. This is the Bhagirathi river. This is the Alaknanda river. So this is the Bhagirathi river. You can see the Bhagirathi river here. So that means this is the Bandarpoonch. The Bandarpoonch, Kedarkantha here. This is the Yamuna river. Yamunotri Yamuna. This is the Tons river. So you have to always start with a landmark. So you have to see the Panipat here, the Delhi is the Yamuna, we go there, and Yamuna Nagar will be somewhere here, Dehradun. This is the Asan river, sometimes mistakenly called the Tons river. You can see here, this is the Giri river, this is the Bata river here, this is the Sirmur Nahan area. So we are talking about Bhagirathi river here. So Gangotri, this is the Kedarnath, Badrinath, we are not interested. This is the Bandarpoonch range. Yamunotri will be somewhere here. So Yamuna river, Yamuna river comes here. This is the Algar river, comes from the land or Mussoorie, that area. And you can see the Tons river here. Tons. Supin, this is the Pabbar river. This is the Mussoorie region. So you can see the Kedarkantha. I can read here Kedarkantha, Bandarpoonch, the water divide. This is the Jaunsar, that region, cultural region. Between is the cantonment area, Chakrata, during the British time in the Dehradun area. So we saw that one, and we can see this one. You have to always start with the map Chandigarh, and Payonta Sahib means this. This is the roadway because the road is constructed across the river, and you can see this, the barcode is on the river. So Chakrata hill station, this is the Yamuna river here, and this is the Bandarpoonch, Yamuna river here, and the Tons river here, and you can see the Tons river here. So both of them will join at, this is not that clear. So again start with this, the Dehradun valley. So that means Yamuna river. This is the Asan river. This is the Giri river, Bata river here. So this is the Mussoorie range. This is the Algar river where Kempty Falls is present. The Bandarpoonch, right? This is the Bhagirathi river. When you see the Bandarpoonch mountains, that means this is the Yamuna, because south of Bandarpoonch you have Yamunotri glacier. River comes there. You can see the Tons river is this one. This is the Rupin and Supin rivers are there. This is the Pabbar river. You can see this is the Kedarkantha or Kedarkantha mountain range. Okay, you saw that one. And essentially, here the Mussoorie range, Payonta Sahib. This is the one, the river. So Bandarpoonch is here, Kedarkantha here. That means this is the Yamuna river. So Barcode is on the banks of Yamuna river. Chakrata is in the mountain range between the Yamuna River on the east, and Tons River, Chakrata Cantonment area. Mussoorie Kempty Falls will be here. This is not that clear. I can still show some parts. So this is the Shiva Lakes. This is the Dehradun. This is the Asan River here. This is the Giri River. This is the Bata River down, and you can see the Yamuna River here. This is the Bandarpoonch, Tons River here. So essentially, that what we wanted to share in this. In the next part, we will be looking at the part 8. We will be looking the Bhagirathi, the main, the contributor of Ganga Mata River. We will look at it. Thank you very much for joining me today. If you like the presentations, Mitranam, you can subscribe the channel and bring it to the notice of your friends. See you later. Dhanyavad.